And I really need your students to know Excel. Perfect. Now I have the information knowing what the employer needs.
Carrie Hogan works hard to create a professional workplace environment for her students at the San Diego Job Corps Center.
You're going to be doing this in the real world, so it's a real world application for you.
These students are studying office administration.
Hey, so you're going over to CTR now. How exciting is that?
Students like Marquez Patterson, who struggled before Job Corps.
I was in college for a little bit before I came here. I was not able to graduate though.
But Marquez is now flourishing at San Diego Job Corps.
I feel like I can carry myself with a lot more confidence and professionalism.
I see that. I absolutely see that. He is going to be an asset to any company that hires him. I look forward to hearing about what comes next for him. I truly do. He has nailed it.
Marquez challenged himself to get as many certifications as possible.
We only need one primary and one secondary to complete our training achievement record, and they're knocking him out of the park.
So how many certifications did Marquez earn?
Right here, all these stars.
5 primary and 15 secondary certifications.
It just, to me, it was more of like a challenge. Could I get them all? So I just went for it.
All of my students, they get motivated to just knock out as many as they can. Let me tell you, when they walk into a job, their resume is impressive.
Carrie's experience in the business world has helped her become an effective teacher, one who truly cares about her students and knows they're capable of great things.
Stay the course. If you run into any issues, remember, just let me know, okay? Anybody can set an expectation of here we are and we're just gonna meet you where you are. I don't believe in that. I set the expectation way up here so that they have to rise.